Hey, before we get started to show you how easy it is to add video to your Salesforce Marketing Cloud email campaigns, please hit subscribe so you don't miss out on other Salesforce related video tutorials from the Playable team.
By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create and send video emails just like this example. The first step is to create a new campaign in Salesforce using Content Builder. When creating this campaign, select your template mindful of where you wish your video clip to be featured. We are now going to create our video content. Hover over the Salesforce logo in the top left of the page to reveal the menu. Now hover Salesforce account, simply visit the Appexchange. We can now see the playable video page, which will feature all your previous campaigns. Today we are going to add a new video, so we click Add Video. Firstly, we need to create a title for our video. This is for admin purposes only. We'll name ours Playable Tutorial. Next, we need to confirm the dimensions of the video to be displayed within our Salesforce template. The default width of 600 is perfect for our template. We're now ready to upload our video content. We can upload content as a video file from our computer or as a link from a hosting platform such as YouTube, Vimeo or Facebook. Today we're going to upload a file from our documents. We then click Apply. The upload time will vary relative to the size of the video. During the upload, Playable creates a 10-second edit of the video as an option for to use in your email, though in most cases you will wish to edit the video to create your own clip. To commence editing our video, we click Editor. Our objective is now to create the most compelling video content with a maximum duration of 10 seconds. This duration is designed to ensure all recipients receive the very best video email experience. Our video is shown in the editor. In the main screen you will see an area framed by a dotted line. This represents the area of the video which will be embedded within our email and is derived from the image dimensions we entered earlier. We can move this area to select our preferred area of the video. To create our video email content, we select clips from the video using the timing slider and the Add Clip panes. We need to keep an eye on the duration of the edit, which is shown here. Once we are happy with our edit, we click Continue. We now have the option to add a range of enhancements to our video. These are designed to help reinforce our messaging. We can add captions which appear at the foot of the video at time intervals we select. We can add or remove a click watermark. We can add an end card, which may be our branding or a call to action. And finally, we can include a footer with a call to action. We now click Compile. Playable now creates over 100 versions of the video. It is these which are used to deliver the very best video email experience for all recipients, relative to the device and connection type on which they are viewing the email. The next step is to add a click action. We click the menu item which gives us 3 choices. Today we're going to redirect any recipient who clicks on the video to the Playable website, so we add that URL and save it. Next, we select the image which will be shown to recipients who are using older versions of Microsoft Outlook and so cannot receive video email. We can either upload a still image or select it from the video by capturing a preferred frame. We have now completed the editing of our video email clip. We can now preview our video across the major email clients and also send a sample to our colleagues for checking by simply completing the form here. We are now ready to embed the video within our Salesforce template. To commence this, we click Embed and proceed to select Playable Tutorial from the list of Salesforce campaigns. We hover over the image we wish to replace, this closer end. We now click on the image to add the video. To transfer this to Salesforce, we click Create New Campaign, followed by a click on the prompt, click to view your new campaign in Salesforce. We have now successfully embedded our video into our Salesforce template, and we continue to test and send our Salesforce campaign in the normal way.
If you're new to Playable, you've come to the right place. This channel is full of information and insights we share with everybody. And you can also go to our website and utilize the 30-day trial to see what all the fuss is about.